Hello, in this video I will tell more about how you can choose your domain for your hosting. There is more possibilities. First is register new domain. This means that you want to get a real domain from our hosting. It not will be free. Second choice is use existing domain. There is two possibilities. If you have your own domain, you can put there, and if you don't have any domain, you can there write any domain, for example, enough. Okay, or com, and this will be your temporary domain. Of course, you can choose transfer domain from your old hosting, but it also not will be free service. Or you can choose domain later, but you must know without any domain your hosting package not will be created. For this reason, my recommendation, if you have your own domain, or if you don't have any domain, please choose use an existing domain, there write your domain and click use domain. And after that you need create your account for our hosting.